A very good evening, everyone. Welcome to Women Engineering Limited. My name is Imrana Qureshi. Today we are going to discuss about how to manage stress. So, what is stress? Stress is a feeling of emotional or physical tension. It can come from any event or thought that makes you feel frustrated, angry, or nervous. Stress is your body's reaction to a challenge or demand. In short, burst stress can be positive, such as when it helps you avoid the danger or meet a deadline. Why is it so important to manage stress? If you are living with high level of stress, you are putting your entire well-being at risk. Stress will havoc on your emotional equilibrium as well as your physical health. It ha- narrows your ability to think clearly, function effectively, and enjoy life. It may seem like there's nothing you can do about stress. The bill won't stop coming. There will be never be more hours in the day, and your work and family responsibility will always be demanding, but you have a lot more control than you might think. First tip: ident- identify the source of stress in your life. To identify your true sources of stress, look closely at your habits, attitude, and excuses. Do you explain away stress as temporary? I just have a million things going on right now, even though you can't remember the last time you took a breath. Do you define stress as an in- integral part of your work or home life? Things are always crazy around here, or as a part of your personality. I have a lot of nervous energy, that's all. Do you blame your stress on others or outside events, or view it entirely normal and unacceptable? Start a stress journal. A stress journal can help you identify the regular stressor in your life and the way you deal with them. Each time you feel stressed, keep track of it in your journal. As you keep a daily log, you will being the see pattern and common theme. Write down what the causes your stress. Make guess if you are unsure. How you felt both physically and emotionally. How you acted in response. What you did to make yourself feel better. The four A's: avoid, alter, adapt, accept. Avoid unnecessary stress. Learn how to say no. Know your limits and stick to them. Whether in your personal or professional life, taking on more than you can handle is a surefire recipe for stress. Distinguish between the should and the must, and when possible, say no to taking on too much. Avoid people who stress you out. If someone consistently causes stress in your life, limit the amount of time you spend with that person or end the relationship. Alter the situation. Express your feelings instead of bottling them up. If something or someone is bothering you, be more assertive and communicate your concern in an open and respectful way. If you have got an exam to study for and your chatty roommate just got home, say up front that you only have 5 minutes to talk. If you don't voice your feelings, resentment you'll will build and the stress will increase. Be willing to compromise. When you ask someone to change their behavior, be willing to do the same. If you both are willing to bend at least a little, you will have a good chance of finding a happy middle around. Adapt to stressor. Adjust your standards. Perception is a major source of avoidable stress. Stop setting yourself up for failure by demanding perception. Set responsible standards for yourself and others, and learn to be okay with good enough. Practice gratitude. When stress is getting you down, take a moment to reflect on all things you appreciate in your life. Include your own positive qualities and gifts. This simple strategy can help you keep things in perspective. Accept the thing you can't change. Don't try to control the uncontrollable. Many things in life are beyond our control, particularly the behavior of other people. Rather than stressing out over them, focus on the thing you can control, such as the way you choose to react to problems. Learn to forgive. Accept the fact that we live in an imperfect world and that people make mistakes. Let go of anger and resentment. Free yourself if from negative energy by forgiving and moving on. Tip 3. Get moving. Put on some music and dance around. Take your dog for a walk. Walk or cycle to the grocery store. Use the stair at home or work rather than inventor. Park your car in the forest court in the lot of walk the rest of the way. Pair up with an exercise partner and encourage each other as you walk out. Play ping pong or an activity ac- activity based video game with your kids. Step 4. Connect to others. There is nothing more calming than spending quality time with other human beings who make who makes you feel safe and understood. In fact, face-to-face interaction triggers a cascade or hormones that counteract the body's defensive fight or flight response. It's nature's natural stress releasing as an added bonus. It also helps stave off depression and anxiety. So make it an point to connect regularly and in person with family and friends. Tips for tips for building relationships. Reach out to a colleague at work. Help someone else by volunteering. Have a lunch or coffee with a friend. A- Ask a beloved on to check in with you regularly. Accompany someone with a movie or concert. Call or email an old friend. Go for a walk with workout buddy. Schedule a weekly dinner date. Meet new people by taking a class or joining a club. Confide in a clergy member, teacher, or sport coach. Tip 5. Make time for fun and relaxation. Set aside leisure time. Include rest and relaxation in your daily schedule. Don't allow other obligations to encourage. This is your time to take a break from all responsibility and recharge your batteries. Do you something do something you enjoy every day. Make time for leisure activities that bring you joy. Whether it be stargazing, playing the piano, or work on your bike. Tip 6. Maintain balance with a healthy lifestyle. Eat a healthy diet. Well nourished, well nourished body are better prepared to cope with the stress. So be mindful of what you eat. Start your day right with breakfast and keep your energy up and your mind clear with balanced. Nourishes meals throughout the day. Reduce caffeine and sugar. The temporary highs caffeine and sugar provide often end in a crash in mood and energy. By reducing the amount of coffee, soft drinks, chocolate, and sugar snacks in your diet, you will feel more relaxed and you will sleep better. Thank you.